Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing and showing you what I've got, which is one thing I've got some time ago, but I didn't have time to show you, which is backpack from Amazon, and it's actually from the North Face. So let's open it. Came in the bag from some set, and it looks like this. Ta-da! So it's all black. As you can see, the model is called Women's Search, the North Face, black Bristol metallic iron. It says here the color. And it's the North Face Search model. So here it says what it has. So I will show you the updated model. So first we have here the North Face logo, which is like a rose gold color. Then here is nice pocket with line. As you can see, that will be great for some for the glasses, for example. Then these parts are also rose gold. Then it has two pockets here in front. One is here, let's open it, and another one is here. It has organization. Here are two pockets, and here is some pockets too, like this kind of mesh. When we close these pockets, both of them, let's close them. Here is some thingy. Here it has on bottom those straps. You can attach your belongings along, for example, yoga mat. Then what do we have here? And here is the side pockets for water bottle. Looks like this. Here it has mesh on the sides, and here not. Then you open first compartment, which is bigger one, or biggest, and you can put too many things, but you have to loosen those straps to make it more big, to have more space inside. So you can stuff here some belongings. Then here is nice handle. This has two-way zipper on this compartment. And then last one compartment is here, also two-way zipper. It has nice two sides of it. One is here for laptop. Here you put your laptop. This one is all lined with sleeve material. I mean on this side and on this not. But here is another like something like this that you can put here your tablet, for example, or some cables. And then here you have big space for some things that you can put that. Oh, nice breeze, I like it. So yeah, so that's nice compartment. And then here it has this kind of straps, like they have here. You can connect them like with this, and on your waist. So on me it looks like this. Let's put you little more far away. On me it looks like this. Or I put you more far away. So yeah, that's how it looks on me. You can regulate straps. Like here. And here you can close it. And this goes up and down. This strap can be tightened or loosened. This one too. And then here you have your backpack, which is nice feeling, like it feels like very lightweight on the back. I can even show you if it fit 15-inch laptop. So here is my MacBook 15-inch laptop, almost 16. Let's test it out if it fit. In this pocket. Yes, it fit. Look. Now let's close it. Let's put it on how it feels on laptop. Feels fine, but of course it's heavy. Now we can regulate this. Yeah. Then we can also attach this strap around waist. This one here. Okay, now it fits. And I can now regulate it like this. Okay. So yeah, that's the backpack fit. So yeah, that's how it looks on me. And I can show you even back. Looks like this. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is unboxing of a North Face backpack. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm testing my camera iPhone for this video, so I don't know how this video is gonna turn out quality wise. But this is unboxing of this backpack from North Face. It's good for hiking and some travels, and I recommend even for shopping and going some places, shopping, summer adventures. So yeah, hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.
do some